Oh, I'm so bored. How many brake jobs can a guy do in a week? I swear I never should have told anybody that I work on cars. Like, seriously, what happened to the days when people would say, hey, Mike, get my car ready for the track, or let's work on my tune, I know I got some more juice in it. Like, am I just getting old? Nah, I'm not getting old. They're the ones who are getting old. Where the hell did I put those brakes? I could have sworn I put them down here. Liz is right. I would lose my head if it wasn't attached to my body. I should just tell him I got busy and I couldn't finish it. I mean, I am at the hangar after all, so no one really knows what I'm doing. So I got that going for me. God damn, that 69 is sexy. 69. God, these tires are so badass. Totally could fit in there. I totally could. These things are solid. They make cars go. Solid for sure.
Who's that talking?
What?
Is that you talking to yourself?
Oh, I thought these were inside thoughts. Can you hear me right now?
Okay, well, when you're done talking to yourself, we have a fuel system to put on, so we should probably get to work.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Let's do it.
Hey, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. Now, if you tuned in last week, you'll remember we put a new Procharger on this here C7 Corvette. Now, of course, with more airflow, means you need more fuel. So we're going to put a new auxiliary pump in here that will pump in fuel based on your throttle position, which basically means that it's on or it's off, because you're either not touching the gas or you're full throttle, or why would you drive a car like this? But before we get started, we need to turn this around because we need to get to the back of the car. So let's do that, shall we? That's better. So now that we got it turned around, we start working. So all we got to do today is we add the auxiliary pump, we add the computer module that tells it what to do, we tap into the supply line, and guess what? Yeah, you guessed it, more fuel. When you're full throttle, there's more fuel. So there's not more fuel when you're not hitting the throttle, because I already told you it's like an on-off switch. Nah, you'll figure it out. So now that it's in the air, all we got to do is take off this here tire, get this wheel well off, and then we have access to the supply line. That's where we put the auxiliary pump. Then all we got to do is drill into the fuel tank. That's all we got to do. So now that everything's exposed, all we got to do is mount the bracket. Recchia. Take your auxiliary pump. Mount that puppy there. We tap into the fuel line. Let's do it.
What are you doing?
What? It's literal fuel. It's like the best energy drink money can buy. Like, if it can make this car go, sure as hell will make me go.
Yeah, go 6 feet under the ground. It's gonna kill you.
Guess that's a risk I'm willing to take. The auxiliary pump is all in, ready to go. Tested, and it works. That's always a good sign. This thing is now getting so much fuel to feed all that air. It's like if we've been feeding it beans all day. It's lovely. But you guys made it this far, so don't forget, give me a like and a subscribe. Until then, I want to thank you guys for hiding out.
Way too far forward.
Oh, God. All we gotta do is mount this here fuel line. About right here. This is breaking. This is not fuel line. This is not fuel. That's a very pathetic snap.
Well, I'm pretty sure I just showed the camera my ass crack, so.
Are you getting high over here?
I mean, a little. I just love the smell of gasoline, dude.
Well, save me some.
Oh, here, smell my finger.
That's good stuff.
It's good, right?